What is up, guys? Done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop automatic tabs opening on the Chrome and Microsoft Edge browser. So first, you need to head over to your Chrome browser, and then on the right side, you need to click on these three dots and then click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, here you will open the Chrome settings. From there, you need to click on Privacy and Security, and after that, you need to scroll down until you see the site settings. Simply click on the site settings and then scroll a bit down until you see the button of pop-ups and redirects. Simply click on this and then you need to make sure that you have chosen this option to don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. And the another way to control this is to go to the extensions tab and then remove the extensions that look suspicious or are not necessary. So just simply remove them, and the same thing is in the Microsoft Edge browser. I'll just show you by just opening the Microsoft Edge browser. Now from here, you need to click on these three dots again and then click on settings. And after clicking here, you need to click on reset settings. And from here, you need to click on this restore settings to the default values and click on this reset. So this will give your Microsoft Edge browser a fresh start, and this will reset all the pinned tabs and the Microsoft Edge browser basically. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.